Hello everybody. With elections being over now and while we're waiting for our results, so I thought I'll tell my clients and the audience that we also specialize in spouse dependent visas or spouse visas or spouse dependent visa. Now when we talk about Australia, if you are a student there in Australia and you've recently got married, you can invite your spouse on a spouse dependent visa. Here the embassy fees is roughly about $510 Australian dollars. Similarly, when we talk about if you're a permanent resident in Australia, then you can invite your spouse on a subclass 309. Now here the time frame is about 8 to 9 months, but the embassy fees or the visa processing fees is roughly about 8850. So here again we help and we apply through our own portal for your spouse dependent visa. Similarly, if I talk about New Zealand, and if you're a student there, you can again invite your spouse, but you have to be in a bachelor or master degree program. So here when you invite your spouse, the applications are applied through licensed immigration lawyer, and the rough idea about the embassy fees is about 211 New Zealand dollars. And when I talk about licensed immigration lawyer, I'm again mentioning that you must apply through a licensed immigration lawyer. You want assistance, we can put you on to one of our partners in New Zealand, and we can help you with that. Similarly, when we talk about Canada, and if you're a student in a master degree program, you can apply for an open work permit. Now here the rough idea about the embassy fees is 340 Canadian dollars. Similarly, if you're a permanent resident in Canada, again the embassy fees is roughly about 1,205 Canadian dollars. But the application here is applied to IRCC agency, IRCC agent. So we assist you and we can put you onto some good IRCC member in Canada who can help you with your partner application, spousal application as well. And we are again helping in UK, where if you are you're a student there, you want a spouse to join you, the embassy fees is roughly about $490. Now when we talk about spouse dependent visa, I like to be very clear that whenever you invite your spouse, when you're on student visa, you have to show additional funds. So every country has a bracket where you have to show minimum living cost. That is how you are able to invite your spouse there. And if you do not have those money available in your bank accounts in India, the things become difficult. So it is better to take our expert advice. And before I wind up here, I would also like to mention that since we are in the business from 33 years, so we are partnered with a lot of MARA agents in Australia, IRCC agents in Canada, or licensed immigration law in New Zealand. So if you are looking to apply for a permanent residency application, come to us. We'll have your application assessed and applied through them as well. So saying this, I would like to say bye and thank you.